Everyone is talking about LLMs, ChatGPT, Claude and all, but most of them are not aware of what they actually are, how they work. In this video, we are diving deep into it. LLM stands for Large Language Model. I will break it down for you. Large means billions of parameters, which are numerical values that the model has learned. Language means it's trained on the text data, and model is the mathematical system. So, a large language model is a mathematical system with billions of learned parameters trained on massive amounts of text data. But here's what's crucial. At its core, an LLM does one thing. It predicts the next token. Given a sequence of tokens, it outputs a probability distribution for what the next token should be. Inside every LLM, there is something called a transformer. This is the neural network architecture that powers these models. It was introduced in a 2017 paper called Attention is All You Need. The transformer uses layers of mathematical operations to process tokens and understand relationships between the words. We'll deep dive into transformers in a separate video. But for now, just know that transformers are the foundation that makes the modern LLMs possible. Inside the transformer, there is something called attention. Think of it this way. When you read a sentence, you don't pay equal attention to every word. Some words matter more. Attention works the same way. It lets the model decide which parts of your input are most relevant when predicting the next token. This is why LLMs can understand context and generate coherent, meaningful text. LLM training has three main steps. First, pre-training. The model trains on billions of tokens from the internet. For each one, it predicts what comes next. If it is wrong, parameters adjust. This happens trillions of times. The model learns grammar, vocabulary, facts, logic, even code. But pre-training alone is not enough. The model can generate harmful outputs. So, next step is supervised fine-tuning. Humans create high-quality examples of good responses. The model trains on this to learn better outputs. The third is RLHF, that is a reinforcement learning from human feedback. Human evaluators rate outputs. The model learns which responses are preferred and adjusts. So, all the LLMs use the same core mechanism, predicting the next token. But ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, Mistral, Granite, they feel different. Why? Because of the training data. Each was trained on different data with different techniques. Some are optimized for reasoning, others for code, some are small and fast, others large and powerful. But underneath, every model is using the same principle. But LLMs have real limitations. First is hallucinations. They confidently generate false information sometimes. Why? Because they predict the tokens based on patterns, not reality. The second is the knowledge cutoff. For example, a model trained up to April 2024 does not know about events after that. It's frozen in time. Third, reasoning bounds. They make mistakes on complex logic and math. Fourth is the context length. There is a maximum amount of text they can process at once. Fifth, no true understanding. They have the pattern matching systems, not conscious entities. So understanding these limitations is as important as understanding the capabilities. Next video, we'll deep dive into tokenization. How text becomes tokens, why it matters, how different models tokenize differently. Do subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon, and like and share it with your friends if you really enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.